Warm up time. Eric Lumabas team versus Pakan Salcido San Samar for the fiesta of Salcido Bill Salcido San Samar exhibition game between Tagbakan and Eric Lumagbas team, sponsored by senior board member Paul Gonzales and senior councilor Michelle Abalorio of Salcido. Abuga Kisa Bulpa Nice. Buloy Upanda. Buloy Upanda. Arsenio Rambutig Sinyo Rambutig Dangko Ramburak Edwin Abalorio from Barangay 3 Salcido Eastern Samar. Rini Makasa from Barangay 10 Salcido. Pupunta naman tayo sa team ng Tagbakan. Abio. Nanay. Anay, mapasada pa kita. Yan maiha. Alit ang manager. Ading Tagbakan team. Shout out Anay. Sir. Ading Tagbakan team. Warm up. Ugira. Magkalaban muna kami ngayon. Ang pa-premium nito ay sponsored ni senior board member Paul Gonzales at saka si senior councilor Michelle Abalorio. Siya ang sponsored ng premium. Shout out boss. Shout out Anay, adin mga player ng Tagbakan. Shout out. Pakipalohan Kuya Ed TV. YouTube channel Kuya Ed TV. Adin ni star player awaw. Bingan. Exhibition game.